Dear children, welcome to the biology class. Today we are going to take the second lesson, nutrition in animals. In the first lesson, you have learned that plants are preparing their own food by photosynthesis. Animals are getting food from the plants directly or indirectly. Indirect means they are taking food from the herbivores. Nutrition. What is meant by nutrition? Nutrition includes requirement of nutrients, mode of taking food, and utilization by the body. Then what is nutrients? That you know. Nutrients are the substances present in the food that is needed for our body or necessary for our body. The major nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. These nutrients are very complex substances, so we cannot utilize it as such. So we have to break down into simpler substances. So that is the process digestion. Digestion is the process in which this food nutrients are broken down into simpler substances for utilizing our body. Now let's discuss different ways of taking food. We are taking food from plants and animals. We will take to our mouth and we will chew it and we will swallow it. Like that, different organisms are taking food in different way. So bees. Bees will take nectar from the flowers. They will suck the nectar. And a snake, they will swallow their food. Like that, I will show you some pictures. Those organisms, how they are taking their food. This is snail. Snail eats lower plant parts. Its mode of feeding is known as scraping. Scraping is a mode of nutrition in which insect scraps the food with jaws. Example, snails. These are ants. Ants eat small particles of sugar, flour, etc. Its mode of feeding is chewing. Eagle eats small animals like rat, birds, etc. Its mode of feeding is capturing, tearing, and swallowing. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the earth, which eats small insects and nectar. Its mode of feeding is capturing, swallowing, and sucking. These are lice present in the hair. Their food is blood, so its mode of feeding is sucking. Female mosquitoes feed blood. Male mosquitoes feed plant sap. Both their feeding mechanism or mode of feeding is sucking. Sucking is a mode of nutrition in which insects pierce the food item and then sucks the internal fluid of the food. Example, mosquito, lice, etc. Butterfly feed nectar from the flowers. Its mode of feeding is siphoning. Siphoning is a mode of nutrition in which animals suck the food from substratum. Example, nectar sucking by butterflies. Houseflies eat many kinds of liquids and solids. Its mode of feeding is sponging. Sponging is a mode of nutrition found in houseflies. in which insect secretes saliva over the food and dissolved food is drawn up into the mouth of insect in solution form. So children, now you can complete the table 2.1. Now let's watch an amazing video of starfish feeding. Starfish feeds on animals covered by hard shells of calcium carbonate. After opening the shell, the starfish pops out its stomach through its mouth to eat the soft animal inside the shell. The stomach then goes back into the body and the food is slowly digested. So children, that's all about today. Have a nice day. Thank you.